Now, you know when you buy a shirt and it comes professionally folded like that? Have you ever wondered how to do that? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly in about 2 minutes how to fold a shirt like that. It's called the retail fold. It's really easy. You can learn it in 2 minutes. And what's more, you don't need any pins, clips, plastic bags or cardboard backing boards that you usually see. You know when you open a shirt and you have to take out a million pins? That's just to keep it safe in transit. You don't actually need all of those things when you fold your own shirts. So let's get started learning the retail fold. Now I'm going to take a freshly ironed shirt. If you need the tutorial on how to iron a shirt, I will link to it up here somewhere, and you'll be able to follow that video at your leisure. Now, first thing you're going to do is button the shirt all the way up to the top and fasten the cuffs. And for the next bit, I'm going to come round to the other side of the table so you can see over my shoulder. Now, put the shirt on its front. The only item of equipment you're going to need for this is a piece of A4 card or a full-size notebook. Now, telephone directory, anything that's the normal A4 page size. And if all you have is an A4 piece of paper and an Amazon box, you can use that as a template and make a card template out of it. So let me just bring the camera down like so. Okay, right, bring it this way so you can see. So we lay the shirt on its front with our A4 card template. We put that up to the base of the collar. Now the reason we want it to be card is because it needs to give some structure. That doesn't stay in all the time. We remove it at the end. Anyway, we fold in from the side. We create a line from the shoulder down to the base. Fold the sleeve over towards yourself. Make sure that line's nice and straight. Get the sleeve and fold it back down following that line at the side. So far so good. We take this line here, this seam, the side seam, and we do the same on the other side. Again, straight line from the shoulder down to the base. And we fold the cuff, fold the sleeve all the way down. Now, this is the simple version. I'm going to show you a more advanced version in a second. Now, find the base of the book. Find the base of the book, and then halfway between there and the base, which is about there. That's your folding point. Fold it up to the base of the book, and then a second fold all the way up to the top. Flip that over, and there we have it. And there you can take out the book, and that's your folded shirt, ready for packing, storage, whatever you want. Now, as you noticed, in the retail pack, the cuff is visible. This is useful when you're packing because sometimes you'll have a French cuff that you wear with cufflinks, and sometimes you'll have 1 or 2 buttons on the cuff, and people like to know what style of shirt it is before they unpack it. So, if you want to leave the cuff exposed, flip it back over, down and down. Obviously you would do this before you fold up, just going back a couple of steps. Now with the shirt like this, fold the second sleeve back up at the line of where the bottom of the book is. Then take the cuff and fold it out to the side. Now, if you can imagine, when that's wrapped around, that's going to be too long. So we need to bring that back in slightly. Bring it back in. So you've got about 1 inch from the side of the shirt, and that's perfect. And then again, half fold, full fold, flip, And then the cuff sits neatly at the front like that. And that is your retail folded shirt. The more you do it, the better you'll get, the faster you'll get, and the neater it'll be. If you have any questions, drop them into the comments below. If you like the video, please like the video. And if you want to subscribe for more of this sort of stuff, subscribe to the channel. Anyway, till next time, take care, and I'll see you very soon.